So last day we have started L2TP tunneling protocols. L2TP tunneling protocol over the IPSEC VPN. But our practice
Ustad, your voice is very low.
now it's okay. Actually, last week we have done the practical on the L2TP over IPSEC VPN. Now clear? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
My voice is clear now.
Not
It's
fine,
fine,
but
but
I
I
don't
don't
know
know
why
why
it
it
is
is
become low.
Now it's clear. Now it's clear now. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. Perfect. So the last week we have done the practicals, that is L2TP tunneling protocols over the VPN, IPSEC. For the VPN connectivity we have done this practical, but our practical was not successful. Later on I have checked the couple of things and couple of parameters we will have missing. So today we will complete that remaining practicals. Okay. So for that only, this is my domain controllers. Okay, just it's for the domain controller we have installed it. So I am not showing you because you know a couple of things, right? So this is just the domain controller I'm showing you, that we already installed that day. My domain name is xyz.com. Okay.
Okay.
First log in the domain controller. Let's see. So this is the Active Directory, users and computers. Okay. So it's quite normal. Now what we have created a domain controllers, and created the domain called xyz.com, and we have added the two machine, which is VPN machines, VPN server and laptop. So let me open the AD user console. Yes. So as you see, my computer sector, there is a laptop and VPN user, because these two machines I have joined. So VPN as it is 2019 and laptop is 2010. Windows 10. Okay. So now what we need to do, we will configure the VPN server. That was my remaining, on this practical day. So let's log in this. So that day, you remember or not, we have installed, the RAS role. That means that roles we have installed. Okay. Remote access role we have installed, right? And after that it was not working, so I have again uninstalled and just installed that direct access role. After installing, I am getting notifications that here that's configuration required installation succeed. So I am going to clicking on roles and features. Here it is successfully installed. Now clicking on open the getting. Now once it is open, I will click on deploy VPN only. Clear?
Yep.
Now what we need to do, that day we have created the VPN. The problem was happened, what was the problem happened? The problem happened that firewall, we have stopped the firewall after this VPN configuration, and that is the reason VPN configuration was not saved properly. So that is why I have just power off all my firewall. Okay. Let's first, before we start this, we have to turn off all the firewall, because basically if you are going to create this L2TP over the IPSEC in your environment, so the protocol we need to open, that is 1701, you have to open on your firewall. So Here as it is, I am going to stop the firewall, so will it not required, but in production environment you have to inform your firewall team to stop this. Perfect. Now let's go, I will go and configure it. What I need to do, let's go to configure and enable routing remote access. Click on next. Now here there is an option called custom configuration. Click on this. Here there is an options called VPN. Click on it. Click on next. And now click on finish. Remember that day we was getting an error message after we click on finish, and it says that configuration was not saved. So we have ignored that and we have just go away for the enter configuration. That was the problem happening. So once you click on start service, it will work. That was our mistakes on the last practicals. Perfect. The VPN is down. Again, I'm telling you that VPN server, you will give them the IP address in real time, in real world. If you want to create this L2TP tunnel VPN and you want that all your employees should get authenticated on this VPN XYZ server. So in this NIC card, you have to give them a public IP address. Also, you have to enable internet connection on that machines. Got it? You have to give them public IP address as well as you have to enable the internet on that VPN machine. Then only all the client will get connected from their home to that VPN servers, and after logging this VPN server, they will connect it in this XYZ domain. Got it? Next, next what we need to do, we'll click on go to properties. In this case, what we need to do, we'll go to security, and we will click on it, just whatever it is, leave it, and here we have to check allow, and we will share the pre-shared key. So here we'll share my pre-shared key, that is Kolkata @1234. okay, as per your choice, or you can give them India @1234. okay, remember what password I'm giving here. Clear? Next is you have to go IPv4. In this IPv4, we also done one mistakes. You know what mistakes? We have given the same static address whatever we have a production. No, do not do this. We have to give them a separate. If my production IP address, let's say my production IP address, what is my production IP address? Let's get it's 10.10.10.11. So I will not gonna create this one. I have to create 20, 20, 20, 20 up to 20, 20, 20 up to 60. That means 41 machine will get connected through VPN. There is a provisioning I'm doing. Okay, nothing as such you have to do, nothing as of all are okay. Click on apply, and okay, and it's saying not only this, you have to stop these services. For that only you have to go all task, stop these services, again you have to start the same services. Got it? Yeah. Well, now what you need to do, all seems okay as of now, no need to worry about it. So now I am going to connect my laptops. This is my user laptop, which is Windows 10. Perfect. One more thing, in user end, what I need to do, I will go to Active Directory, and how much users you give them domain admin, this VPN access, select them all, go to dial in options and allow this, because by default it was control access through NPS network policy. You have to make them network access permission allow. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
After that, click on apply and OK. Now the client will use the laptops. Now the client will use the laptops. So where first you have to go? You have to go network section, network status. Now here you have to go VPN. In this VPN, you have to create the dial-up options. So once it click on OK, so first have to select Windows built-in, because you are not using any Windows third-party VPN provider. Connection name is L2TP VPN. This is my connection, or hyphen office. Server IP. This should be a public IP address. This should be a public IP address of the VPN. So the condition was what? The condition that VPN server must have to the publicly internet available, and that servers also assign public IP address. Clear? So I have to put this server public IP address. Let's say 10.10.10.11. That is my VPN server IP address, right? Let's check one more thing. ten 11. Okay. Now VPN type, you will use L2TP IPSEC with pre-shared key. Now here you have to set the preset key. What we have given? India @1234, right? That we have given, right? Did we get India caps? Did we get India caps or India small? What? Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
So can you tell me, India, I have given India small or India caps? I small or I caps?
The password is provided by you, right?
No, I have given, shared here. Did you see that? That's what I'm asking you. I given, I know that. So that's why I'm telling you. Did you observe that I'm asking you? India @1234. Anyway,
India.
let's go to connect. Now here this is my users, that user we're going to do. So I'll put it cdar@xyz.com, @xyz.com. Clear? Let's do that. Let's see the connection happen or not. If not happen, then we have to create. We have to put I caps.
Okay.
No, it's not working. So we have to remove it. go and create new one again. India connection L2TP server IP address 10.10.10.11 VPN type pre-shared key is India @1234. Type of sign-in info, user password. So you can give the username password that time, or you can put at the next time, no problem. Click on save, click on L2TP connect cedar@xyz.com. See that it's now connected successfully. Clear?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Now we have to go VPN. But here we are as connected in the networks, you will not be able to understand. But if your laptop users is working from home, the laptop must have to connect it internet, and VPN server also have connected internet with public IP address. That need to be changed. Then your laptop users can easily connect your office VPN through these networks. Clear? Now I'm showing you. See that. One user's your VPN client is connected. Duration how much? 39 seconds. Status not NAP capable. Network access protocol not capable. So as it is not, I have not created network authentication protocol, so it is saying like that. Click on IPv4 general. Okay, click on IPv4 general static route. It's nothing else. So here port. So you just click on the status. One port is active. Click on this. See that IP address given, VPN IP address given your laptop. Who is connected? Authenticated cedar@xyz.com. So here you will get this user authentications delay. Authentication report. Clear? Is that clear? Even if you go, to laptop, firewall.cpl, go to the troubleshooting my networks, not troubleshooting, sorry, advanced settings, and click on monitoring. Yes, Windows Defender Firewall is helping protect computer. Even here actually it's not security association, main mode, quick mode. Yes, now see that. Yeah, so this machines, it's what is saying, pre-shared key enabled, no authentications, and SHA-1. So this is actually firewall monitoring. Firewall is basically doing monitoring that these are the port, as I told, 1701. L2TP port is working 1701. So this is how the firewall is monitoring, because if this port is blocked, you will not be able to connect your VPN server. Clear? Got it?
Yeah.
That is L2TP VPN practical complete today. Let me save the file.